Hey guys, Tony here with Nothing But Car Reviews. I have another product review for you all. Pretty cool one actually. This is Viofo's VS1 Dash Cam. So what this does is, of course, it essentially records what's going on in front of you. I have it mounted up. It comes with some 3M tape or a knockoff of 3M, whatever. It works very well. I just have it mounted onto that little bracket of my rear view mirror, but you can put it in other places, or if you want to stand it up there, you can. But micro SD is plugged in. I have the voice recording on. I have the Wi-Fi enabled, and there's steps in the owner's manual to go through that, but pretty easy to do. And you have to go through their app, which I have set up here. So pretty neat. It gives you a live view, and you can kind of go back through and play other videos right off of your phone. So very nice to just have that capability there. All you have to do is just hook up to its Wi-Fi spot whenever. But pretty easy to use in terms of just downloading the app, connecting it there. And then in terms of the power options, they did a great job with this. So you get a 12 volt, well, that's the wrong one. There's a 12 volt plugged in here that has two USB ports. So one's for the camera, one's for if you want to charge your phone off of it. And then you also can hardwire it so when you're parked, it can run continuously, which I don't like doing that, so I'm not going to use that feature. But you also have the ability to just directly plug it in with a USB-C. The cord for that's a bit short, so mine wouldn't reach there, but the 12 volts is the best way to use these anyway, in my opinion. That's just what I like to do because I like to keep the USBs open for my phones, iPads, whatever I need to charge there. So again, this is the product here. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the box in the back. But I just wanted to set it up within the actual vehicle so you can see it in action. So this is the hardwire kit here. And then you have a Bluetooth remote control as well if you want to use that. And then this is where all the camera itself came in here. So that's pretty much it. A very, very impressive product, I think. I'm gonna try to use it in the future the best that I can, just in terms of when I'm behind the wheel, I can kind of see what's in front of me, have record of what's in front of me. And then if I do want to end up long-term hardwiring it in, I can keep it going when I'm parked, just in case. So again, I want to thank Viofo for allowing me to review this HS1 2K dash cam. And that's the end of this product review. I'll catch y'all on the next one.